Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on show captions on YouTube. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then once you're on here, click on the settings cog on the top right. Then if you scroll down, you should see captions underneath video and audio preferences, so select that, and then it should give you the option to toggle on show captions, so you can easily toggle that on. And you can also change a few settings on here as well, so caption size and style, you can select that. Then you can select text size, and this will give you a few options, so you can have very small, normal, large and very large. So that'll just show you what it'll look like. Then you can also change the caption style, so you can obviously have different contrasts, different colours if you want it to look like that. Then you can back out of here and you can select more options, and then again you can change the language, so obviously you can just pick whatever suits you on there. And that's just how you can show captions on YouTube. Thanks for watching.